and they have a safety and say the backside corner going with him, Bobo has a running start to high point the ball on a defender that's likely standing flat-footed and then being like, oh crap, I gotta go catch him. And again, I love my chances. Your best receiver, 1-on-2 with a running start and the ability to high point the football with all this grass. Give me this any day of the week over the crapshoot scrum, hope for the best. Every team should have this variation of Hail Mary in their playbook. You might need it late in the season to win you a game.